What's up guys, I'm back, Falla here, and today I have a new tutorial. This is going to be a short tutorial, but it's something you guys been asking me about for a long time, so I kind of want to make this quick tutorial. Before you guys ask what's wrong with me, why is my hair so long, my beard, like look at this, look at all this, I look like I'm homeless. But anyways, the reason why I haven't gotten a haircut is because I have a class this Sunday that I'm going to attend, and then also I have a class on Monday which I'm going to be teaching. So I was like, you know what, let me wait until the end of the week to get my haircut, and so I can look fresh for those two events. But anyway guys, the tutorial today is going to be about how to line up the forehead, right? Many of you have problems with this. There's no like easy way to do this or like a simple way that will apply to everybody, because everybody's forehead is different, everybody's hairline is different. So you just kind of you have to find a way to like make it work. And I mean, to me the most important thing is not to push back the hairline. I think that if you do it natural, if you do it where it grows, then it's going to look nicer, it's going to last longer, which is something obviously any client will appreciate. So pretty much what I do is that I create a line here in the middle, and then I kind of connect it with the sides. I'm going to show you in the video how I do it. Just remember that some clients have a different hairline, some clients have like different type of shape on the forehead, so you just have to adjust to that. But just remember, try to keep it natural. Even if when you do it, it kind of looks a little bit uneven, sometimes that's fine, because you know what, even if it's a little bit uneven but it looks natural and it looks like it looks fine, nobody will notice, right? If sometimes you try to make it super straight, you might have to push it back a lot, and then it's just not gonna look good, and it's just gonna mess up the hairline, and some people are gonna complain about it, and you're gonna have problems with that client. So anyways, that's my take. If for whatever reason you have that one client that wants everything to be perfect, straight, and all that stuff, then that's a different story. You talk to the client, tell them that you have to push back their shape up just to kind of make it look straight how they want it. They're okay with it, just go for it. Everybody has their own opinion and the way they like everything, right? So anyway guys, this is the video. Before I let you watch the video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to like the video if you like it. Also, don't forget to share the video with others. This helps the channel grow, and also it helps all the people grow, all the barbers grow, because they find this information and it helps them grow. So anyway guys, let's watch the video. Don't forget to let me know what you guys think.
The way I do this is pretty simple. I always start in the middle. I make a guideline right in the middle where the hairline is, and then I kind of connect that middle guideline to the sides, right? Kind of like when you do the beard, when you do on the neck, I will do the same. Just kind of make a guide in the middle and then connect it with the sides, right? So this is what I do with the forehead. What I do is that I kind of follow the way the forehead grows first, like where the hairline is. Kind of follow that first, then put the person right in the middle of the mirror, so I can see, in front of the mirror, so I can see exactly how it looks. If I see that it looks a little uneven or I have to fix something, then it's just a little adjustment that I gotta do, right? The most important thing is do not push back the hairline. That's the most important thing that I can tell you. Don't push it back. I know sometimes you get those clients that they really want like a super straight hairline. They don't have it. Like the shape has to be super straight. They don't have a perfect hairline, so you gotta push it back. But you know what? This is like a 1% of the population, right? Most clients, they prefer not to get their line pushed back. Most clients prefer just to have a natural looking line, because it's gonna last longer. It's gonna last them longer. It's gonna look nicer. You're not gonna have that regrowth that looks green sometimes, and it looks ugly, right? So pretty much what you want to do is get it done. Like make it straight as much as you can. Using the mirror. Always use the mirror. Until you develop your vision that you can actually see if it's straight or not. Then always use your mirror. Your mirror won't lie, right? And then pretty much what I told you, just do the middle part, do the center, then connect the sides. That's the way I do it. I think it worked perfectly for me. Now clients get the forehead done. Some clients don't get the forehead done anymore, not as much as before. A lot of clients are going for more natural looks. So I feel like if you're one of those barbers that cannot really get the forehead straight, then you probably don't have to worry as much. If your clientele is moving to that more kind of European longer hairstyles, because a lot of them are going to stop doing their forehead, right? So pretty much what you want to do is that after you do the machine, then I will go back to the razor against the grain and kind of remove any excess hair, for example, in this client, like it's all natural. I didn't use any hair fibers or paint or any of that stuff. You know, nothing wrong with it. You know, some clients ask you for it, and you know, it looks good. You know, and then people like it. Some barbers use it just for Instagram, just to boost their engagement, or for videos on YouTube. The same thing, just to boost their engagement. And that's fine. There's nothing wrong with it, right? In this case, you know, it was all natural, and I think it looks great because it was done where it grows, and it's not gonna look like crap in a couple like weeks, you know. Well, not even weeks, a couple of days. It's not gonna look bad, you know. It's gonna look fine. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was informative. I said, like, there's not much science to this. It's just, you know, creating a straight line. Obviously, how I said, just always follow the natural hairline, and then you start from there and make a straight line. And then, you know, if you need to fix it, just use the mirror to kind of fix the little things you gotta fix. But you know, the most important thing, try to keep it as natural as possible. If you get a client that wants it to be pushed back, then just make sure you know, agree with him, and you know, make sure you talk to the client. Make sure you both are on the same page, and that's it. Then you get it done. Here I'm showing you a little bit how it looks. How I said, it's all natural. There's nothing. There's no fibers. There's no paint. There's nothing.
So that was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. How I said before, don't forget to subscribe, like it, comment, all that stuff, all the good stuff. And that's it, guys. Thank you for everything. I'll see you guys on the next one.